Hello all, myself Dr. Sridevi Desai, founder of Tathagata Ayurveda Panchakarma Hospital at Bangalore. Tathagata emphasis on treating all the disease conditions with classical principles in a holistic way. At Tathagata, all the Panchakarma procedures are carried out by the trained therapist with utmost hygiene. Tathagata believes in the saying, if the diet is good, there is no need of a medicine, wherein the best of best medicine fails to work if the diet is wrong. Tathagata strongly believes in treating all the disease conditions at 5 folds. First would be the lifestyle correction. Second is changing their diet, because these two plays an important role in the disease manifestation. The third is the oral medication, and fourth is the therapeutic yoga provided by the experts according to the disease. And fifth is the Panchakarma procedures or purificatory procedures needed for the disease. Ayurveda acts as both preventive and prophylactic. So, Tathagata Ayurveda not only treats the diseased conditions, to maintain the health of a healthy individual, seasonal purifications are also carried out at Tathagata. By doing seasonal purifications, the healthy individual slows down the aging process, it increases the antioxidant activity, it gives good immunity, it drains out all the neurotoxins from the body. So, seasonal purificatory procedures that are first would be in the Vasanta Ritu, that is spring, which falls in the mid-Feb to mid-May, that is Vamana, which is also called as medicated emesis. The second is the Varsha Ritu, that is monsoon, from mid-June to mid-August, that is medicated enemas, which is called in Ayurveda Bastis. And the third would be the Sharad Ritu, that is autumn, which lies in mid-August to mid-October, that is purgation treatment. Tathagata also gives the service of Swarnabindu Prashana, that is an Ayurvedic immunization to the children from 0 to 16 years. It is done at all Pusha Nakshatra of a month at the hospital. Along with this, Tathagata Ayurveda also expertise in treating the diseased conditions like in digestive system disorders like indigestion, hyperacidity, irritable bowel syndrome, piles, fissure and hemorrhoids. Tathagata also provides fertility treatment like unexplained infertility, low AMH, BOH, thin endometrium, anovulatory cycle, recurrent pregnancy loss, repeated IVF failures, and tubal blocks without any surgical interventions. Tathagata also treats the skin conditions like all kinds of psoriasis, eczema, fungal infections or tinea or any other allergic conditions. It also gives good treatment for hair fall and dandruff. Tathagata provides good relief at the pain like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, frozen shoulder, cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, etc. Tathagata also provides good treatment for metabolic disorders like PCOD, PCOS, obesity, and diabetes for type 2. To the all above mentioned diseases in the chronic conditions, Panchakarma becomes mandatory and it is done at a hospital by the expert therapists. Tathagata also provides online consultations. So, I request everybody to take the best advantages of the facilities which are provided by Tathagata Ayurveda. Thank you.